Hi Sofia, how are you? We're about to go on a boat ride. We're gonna go see some dolphins, hopefully. All right, good to go. Here we are at South Padre Island, getting on a boat ride. Oh yeah, we are going. Pier 19.
Okay, folks, we safely made it out of the slip and we are away from the dock. You guys are free to get up and walk about the boat as you wish. You can go inside, outside, upstairs, downstairs, whatever you guys like. And the bar is now open for service, folks. Say the more margaritas you drink, the straighter you walk on the boat. And the more pina coladas you drink, the more dolphin you think you see. Only one way to find out. Make Cassie a visit down at the bar and catch one of the guys as you're going around the boat.
Huh? Yep. Oh yeah.
Don't know your restrictions. That's right. Is this where we go in?
Yep, just a minute.
Okay, everyone, what we're going to be doing here for the first 15 to 20 minutes of the trip is we're going to be dragging a net behind the boat. The type of net that we're going to be dragging is called a tri-net. It's the same type of net that you would use for shrimping, just on a much, much smaller scale. Once we drag the net for 15 to 20 minutes or so, pick it up, see what we got, start a little presentation for you guys. And
What's up, you like the water?
So just kick back and relax and drop the net here.
We're gonna do what?
Why do I need a life vest?
You don't.
But why? Why does somebody have a life vest?
Life jacket?
Yeah, life vest.
We don't need it.
I thought that we were going to bring one.
We don't need to bring one. You're good.
Okay, crew,
They're good.
let's go ahead and drop the net now, please. Let's go ahead and drop the net.
You're gonna see one in a little bit.
Okay, folks, this bay that we're in here today, the name of this bay is called the Laguna Madre, which translates into English into the Mother Lagoon. This bay was found by Spanish explorer Alfonso Pineda in 1515, and he is accredited for naming the bay. Now, the reason he named it the Laguna Madre, or the Mother Lagoon, is because of its size. This is an extremely large body of water, folks, that stretches from about 3 miles to the southwest, all the way 144 miles to the north. It stretches all the way to Corpus Christi from here. Now, this bay being an extremely large bay that it is, it's also an extremely shallow water bay. This bay is only going to be about 4 or 5 feet deep all the way across it, except in the channels. That's what makes this bay a hypersaline bay. This bay being a hypersaline bay makes it one of the 6 saltiest bodies of water on Earth that contains life. We have very little fresh water that makes it into the Laguna Madre. What does make it into the Laguna Madre tends to get burned off by the sun very, very quickly due to its very shallow depth. You guys look off the left side of the boat there towards those power lines over there. You guys see what looks like a real long fishing pier over there. That's actually the first bridge and the first causeway that was built coming on to South Padre Island. That bridge was built in 1953. Now it only lasted about 20 years. You would think that when you build a bridge it would last just a little bit longer than 20 years. But the story has it that the contractor who was in charge of building that bridge started to run out of funding about midway through the build. It was very, very expensive for him to have fresh water brought in to mix with that concrete, shellcrete, and steel rebar. So what did he do? Well, he used what was plentiful to him here, which is this salty bay water. And not only is it regular salt water, it's super, super, super salty water.